My windshield is cracked, and I thought, yeah, I will try to fix it with this set for $2 because I'm fucking broke and the new windshield costs over 500 bucks. So yeah, let's try to fix it and we will see if it works or if it fucking sucks. So now we clean this fucking windshield. Now we apply this special water to the windshield. Then we lay down these little fucking things. And after pressing against the back of the glass, we will wait. After repeating this for several times, you can see that the windshield is still kind of interesting. Maybe it works for smaller cracks, but for purpose of this, it fucking sucks.